Hi, I'm Gretel, Customer Success for Comet. In this video, we will cover the key differences between the Comet-hosted and self-hosted server offerings, so you can decide which Comet server option is right for your business. Let's get started. First off, what is the Comet server? The Comet server is your main interface for easy management of all your users, devices, and backups. And it can be accessed through a web portal. Through the Comet server, you can have a quick overview of your backup health, get easy access to all your endpoints, users, and backup settings, and view the status of your devices and run backups and restores all in one web interface. Customers can use a Comet-hosted server or a self-hosted server. Since all the backup and restore functions are carried out by the Comet backup client, the Comet server is able to accommodate a huge number of users and up to several thousand devices. This is true for both the Comet-hosted and self-hosted server. Let us explore the differences between these two options next. In the Comet website at cometbackup.com, we have product pages for both the Comet-hosted and the self-hosted server options. Both of the product pages will present a comparison between the two. Let us have a look at the comparison. When it comes to getting started, the Comet-hosted server is definitely the faster option. There is no software to download, there are no system requirements, and Comet storage is automatically configured. Plus, the software is automatically updated quarterly, so it is also the option that would be easier to maintain. On the other hand, the self-hosted server is the more customizable option of the two. It can be hosted anywhere and is therefore more flexible in complying with regulatory requirements. With a self-hosted server, there is also the option to set up a server replica to store user profiles and the option to hop on the fast-track weekly release. Those are the main differences between the Comet-hosted and self-hosted server when it comes to installation and maintenance. Next, let us have a look at the differences in storage features available. Comet supports a wide range of storage options. Both the Comet-hosted and self-hosted option supports any S3-compatible cloud storage, as well as Comet storage. It is also possible for both options to manage storage usage by setting user quotas and cleanup of unused storage buckets. However, only the self-hosted server supports backing up to on-prem storage, as well as storage replication. Next, let us compare availability of key Comet features between the two options. Most of Comet's features are available in both the Comet-hosted and self-hosted server options. Users will benefit from direct-to-cloud, compressed, and deduplicated backups, ransomware protection through encryption and S3 object locking, and features to manage backups, such as customized email reporting and rebranding. However, only the self-hosted server option supports audit logging and IP rate limiting and whitelisting. And last, let us have a look at the differences in console access and management. There is a number of useful features to customize management of Comet backups that are available in both options. The language and time can be configured in both a Comet-hosted and self-hosted server, and integration with third-party applications is supported through our API. However, tenant accounts can only be set up on a self-hosted server. There are also limitations with the API when using a Comet-hosted server, whereas all API methods are supported on a self-hosted server. Now, let us summarize the key points for using a Comet-hosted or a self-hosted server. You should use a Comet-hosted server if you would like a quick and easy start to Comet backup without any additional installation required, or if you would prefer to use a low-maintenance Comet server which automatically gets upgraded, or if you would prefer not to host a Comet server, and if you would like a Comet storage bucket to be automatically configured on your Comet server. On the other hand, you should use a self-hosted Comet server if you need to comply with the regulation or strict security measures that require all Comet components to be hosted in a specific location, or if you will back up to your own infrastructure or local storage, or if you need access to advanced Comet features such as setting up tenants or storage replication, or if you would like the option to upgrade to the weekly release. And as we mentioned earlier, since the backup and restore functions are carried out by the Comet backup client, both the Comet-hosted and self-hosted servers can accommodate a lot of users and up to several thousand devices. And that wraps up our video. We have linked the product pages for both the Comet-hosted and self-hosted server in the description below. Please check them out for more details on the Comet server options. If you do not have a Comet account yet, sign up with Comet now for a free 30-day trial. This will give you full access to all of Comet's features and offerings, so you can decide what is best for your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.